I initially thought I bought a new product, but apparently I bought renewed. So, I took some pictures before I opened up the packaging. The serial number was blacked out on the keyboard. I connected it to the computer, it powers on. As you can see here, it is blacked out. So, I did a little further digging, and this is an online keyboard testing software. And I'm going to do this right in front of you, real quick. So we'll just click on here. And then we're going to do this to all the keys. And then these over here. And then we'll do all these. F1, F7, and F12 do not work. F1, F7, and F12. Please do not buy a renewed product off of Amazon. I have no idea why they would need to do this, or why somebody would need to do this, or think this is acceptable to return. This is insane. A blacked out serial number. This is very suspicious. My WordPerfect and AOL Friends keyboard that I've had for 16 years works better than this trash.
Alright, literally just got this in the mail today. G915 TKL. Got it set up to my computer. First key I hit, this shift key. Normal shift key. This is the clicky keyboard. Perfectly working, everything's good. This side, what's going on? Is this refurbished?